Gear reducer. Basically, teeth of any shape will prevent gross slip. A gear reducer is used to reduce the speed, and its teeth are enclosed in a rigid, closed housing. The housing provides support for a shaft and protects the gear from dust. Gear reducers are used in turbines, generator sets, and the road wheels in automobiles. The main parts of a gear reducer are the shafts, suitable bearings to support the shaft, V-shaped pulley, and a flange. Now we can see the complete exploded view of a gear reducer.